To draw a light well, as always, simply select the object from the drawing menu. With a first click, the object is linked to the mouse cursor. Now, one thing to remember when drawing a light well is that the side without any enclosure represents the open side, which should stand in front of the building envelope. Using either the F5 or F6 function keys, we can move the grip around while setting different insert points, and we can then rotate the object at 90-degree steps using the F7 or F8 keys accordingly. To set the light well into place, we can freely move around in our drawing workspace and select the insert point, or use the intersection snap points supplied by the surrounding objects. A further click then fixes it into position. As already seen for other objects, if we need to insert our object at a given distance from a reference point, simply keep the less than key pressed and click to define that distance precisely from the keyboard. So when we fix the first point, the cursor is linked to the grip extension, allowing us to define the desired alignment. With the light well object selected, we can then move it around freely or type in the distance from the start point. And with the extension points, we can rotate it and define a new alignment. The light well object can also be inserted in the 3D view. Here the building envelope plane is automatically recognized, and using the grip extension we can easily define its pitch too.